Country Car Vehicle Storage is pleased to announce their new service of Sell and Store, a safe and convenient way to sell and store your car. This service is designed to provide car owners with a hassle-free experience when it comes to selling their vehicles, while also offering storage solutions for those who need it. Located close to the M40 junction 13/14 and open 24/7, the service is easily accessible and offers competitive pricing options that are transparent and affordable. With Sell and Store, car owners can simply bring their vehicles to the storage facility and let the professionals handle everything. From advertising the car to handling the paperwork and transfer of ownership, Country Car Vehicle Storage takes care of it all, making the selling process fast and stress-free. The service also offers safe and secure storage solutions for those who need it. Whether you're moving to a new location and need to store your car temporarily, or you have a classic car that you want to keep in pristine condition, Country Car Vehicle Storage provides a climate-controlled environment equipped with state-of-the-art security measures, including surveillance cameras, alarms, and 24/7 security personnel. In addition to selling and storing cars, Country Car Vehicle Storage offers a range of additional services to enhance the car ownership experience. If your car needs maintenance or repairs, the facility can arrange for a qualified mechanic to take care of it. If you need to transport your car to a different location, the service can arrange for professional transportation services to get your car where it needs to be. One of the advantages of using Country Car Vehicle Storage is that it offers competitive pricing that is designed to provide value to car owners. The pricing is based on the services that you require, and there are no hidden fees or charges. Overall, Country Car Vehicle Storage's Sell and Store service is an innovative solution for car owners who want to take the hassle out of car ownership. With its competitive pricing, additional services, and convenient location close to the M40 junction 13/14, this service is the perfect choice for those looking for a stress-free and secure way to sell and store their vehicles. To learn more about Sell and Store, visit the Country Car Vehicle Storage website at www.countrycarvehiclestorage.co.uk or call 01926 267 813.